Dragon Boat Festival is coming soon, so here's wishing the little ones a happy Dragon Boat Festival in advance. I've also printed out some seasonal models for you to check out. Dragon Boat Festival is the most indispensable thing is dumplings are. The first is this red dumplings. The original model will be larger than I print some. Partners in the print, you can adjust the size of their own in the slicing software. The dumplings are a kind of buckle structure. Gently buckle a rotating cover. Is not very delicate, the appearance of the rope bundled with the dumplings. The second type of dumplings look very much like the first dumplings. In fact, this is a kind of magnetic structure of the dumplings. Only need to be fixed at the seams of the two ends of the magnet, in which case the fixed dumplings will be very secure. The third dumplings are very large one, also in the form of a snap. The appearance and the first two kinds of dumplings have a slight difference. Its surface pattern is not a rope, but a bow. The Dragon Boat Festival is also known as the Dragon Boat Festival, and dragon boats can't be beat. The first dragon boat using gradient color filament printing. Lerdge-iX printout the model is still as fine as ever. The model of the layer pattern is also basically invisible. This dragon boat is very consistent with our national style of art. The second type of dragon boat uses a green filament print. In fact, I should be replaced by other colors after the completion of the print. Feel that this color is not so good looking. Hey, I think the structure of this dragon boat is the best. Can be stretched, there are movable joints, there is a bit of the dragon sense of swinging the tail. That said, the dragon boat should not be straight. The third dragon boat, printed using color blue and green silk supplies. The designer said you could buy some Lego minifigures to put on it. The fourth type of dragon boat, in fact, can only be swayed from side to side. Which dragon boat do you prefer? Since it's the Dragon Boat Festival, I thought I'd print some Chinese animals. The most representative are the lion and the dragon, which symbolize auspiciousness. Do you know the name of the model we are printing now? Its name is called the Lion Holding Dumplings. Just with the previous print dumplings fit can be put into this dumpling organizer. In this case, the lion and the size of the dumplings we have. Guys noticed this little lion chest holding a dumpling. Dragon Boat Festival, of course, there is no shortage of Chinese dragon art. Easily the Divine Dragon printable is finished, first organized to give you a dragon. I wish you all Dragon Boat Festival well. Favorite partners a key to the trifecta. Comment section to find me to get drawings.